Hello friends, today I'd like to discuss how we can get more clients from Upwork. First of all, we need to optimize our Upwork profile. Like we need to have clear niche, strong headlines, and client focused bio. So just a minute, it's loading. Yeah. So just a strong headline like expert in ClickFunnels, WordPress, SEO, social media marketing, PPC, and plugin development. This is very complicated, but you can just make a profile on single niche, or you can add up to three or two or three categories in your skill, like expert in ClickFunnels, WordPress, and SEO. Then, when you'll be gradually increasing your skills, you can add this in title. Then your bio. This is the bio. Your bio should be detailed and very clean, and this should be client focused. Then you need to have a specialized profile. As example, I have three profile, specialized profile. One is for web design. You can just create a specialized profile up to two. On is social media marketing. Then you need to have a different title for a specialized profile, different bio, different portfolio, different work history. You can customize work history from here and add the relevant only social media marketing related feedback here, feedback or review here. Then you can add just social media marketing related skills, expertise, and other skills, testimonial, certificate, employment history. Everything should be related with social media marketing. And for web design, everything should be related with web development and design. Anyway, then write short, specific proposal. You can just find job like this is a job. You can use AI like this. Write a cover letter. Yeah, another thing, you need to check the client review, client hire rate, 100% hire rate. This is definitely good, and the client activity, client work history and feedback. This way, you can get hired more. So you can write cover letter for the job post using AI. Write 100% relevant and job based cover letter for the above job post. Anyway, and another thing, you need to write just and the cover letter should be write just 150 words, because the short cover letter is more engaging. And after writing the cover letter, you definitely need to attach sample here, like this job is for a social media content creator. Please check these social media profiles where I have created and posted contents. Then you can just attach some relevant samples or social media profiles, a page, very engaging page here, like health, Facebook, health, etc., etc. So client can check your sample. Anyway, then the next step, apply early. You always need to apply the relevant jobs that was posted maximum 30 minutes or before, or 10 minutes before, or 15 minutes before, because if you wait or do the delay, the client already maybe taking the interview or talking to someone else. So please apply early. Then build a strong portfolio. Here is the portfolio section. Just you need to attach the relevant work sample and a strong portfolio, because this is very important and lots of clients are checking the portfolio. And another thing, choose always good jobs. If you are skilled in React.js, just apply on React.js. If you are skilled on WordPress, just apply on WordPress. And definitely you need to choose a good job, like the client country location can have, and the client can be of US or Canada or UK, or the good country, and the client payment history, the client company should be good. If the client is good, the job can be done with better way, and you can have better feedback. And use project catalog. Recently, Upwork has identified a new feature, project catalog, and you can just create new project catalog. This is like a Fiverr gig, and you can definitely, yeah, this is my project catalog, this is approved, and lots of clients can offer to buy this catalog or gig. This is as like as Fiverr. Then you need to over deliver to existing clients. You can go to your existing clients, like if you find a job WordPress, then search. Then you need to use the advanced filter, like my previous client had zero job, SEO. Yeah, my previous clients had one job. So you can just go to the client and message to him that you have recently posted a job uh, with this title, and I'm very interested to do the job. This way you can find the job post of your past clients and easily message the clients. And also you should have lots of old clients on Upwork. You can just send the cold messaging to them to have more contracts or more jobs. And try to keep your JSS score very high, at least 80 plus, because job success score is most important in Upwork. Most of the clients, I think, judge a freelancer with this job success score. Although my success score is not very well. And then you need to add a intro video. You can add a intro video here, video introduction, by clicking the plus icon, because this is most important and latest feature of our Upwork. Then you can add keyword, because here is a search feature in Upwork, and lots of clients are using this search feature to get or to find or to uncover the relevant freelancer. But you need to have the keyword based title, keyword based bio, keyword based portfolio. Everything should be keyword based. Like if you add click funnels, there in description you should have click funnels, etc., etc. That means your title and description and other options should have relevant keywords. Then try to write short proposal or cover letter, 100 to 150 words. Then always attach relevant work sample. This is very, very important, because most of the clients, I think, are checking the work samples. Always try to active on Upwork. You can log in Upwork through phone. Like if you are traveling, you can reply to client using your phone. Then you should not raise your hourly rate to very high. Just try to increase your hourly rate gradually. And there are lots of Upwork communities. You can join the Upwork communities, um, like Upwork communities, and you can post on our communities or communicate each other, and that way you can be connected with other relevant freelancers or clients, and you can get jobs. Another thing, you can always ask your satisfied clients to give positive reviews, because a pending contract is not good, and you should have a positive feedback from the pending contract. And just try to add 3 up to 5 catalog from your Upwork, and by applying these tricks you can get hired more, or you can get more jobs on Upwork. Thank you.